guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another fall DIY for you. And let me show you what you'll need if you want to make this project. It is going to go along with the chargers that I made. It was my full intention all along to do something that looked like it came like in a set. So this is what I've come up with. I'm really gonna love it, and I think you will too. So what you'll need if you want to do this is a galvanized little pitcher. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was $9.99 and I got it for 40% off, so I paid $5 for it. And I'm still using my napkins that I purchased at Hobby Lobby with the pumpkin and the swirls, and they were $5.99, but they were 40% off, so I paid $4 for these. And then my gems, which were, I got at Michael's, which were, I think they were $9.99, and I used a 50% off coupon, and they just have the fall colors. All this is what I used on the chargers. So I didn't pay much for that. You'll need a glue gun. You're going to need some different types of flowers from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I'm going to use these leaves or what kind of flowers, but I have an array of flowers over here, all from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need a glue gun, some Mod Podge. I have the matte, and I got it at Walmart. You're going to need some saran wrap. And then I think I'm going to use Antique Gold Metallic paint from FolkArt. I got this at Walmart because to me this matches those chargers perfectly. And then you're going to need a foam brush and some brushes. So let's get started. I am so excited. Let me flip this down and we'll get going. Okay, I went ahead and I put down some foil on my surface so I won't get it dirty. And then what I did is I got me a paper plate, and I'm going to put out some of this metallic antique gold paint from FolkArt. I think I'm going to need a little bit more than that. And this matches the chargers, from what I can tell, awfully close. So we're just going to start painting this. I just want it to look like it could have been a matched set. So that's all I'm looking for, is just to get this painted. So I know you know what I'm doing. I'm just going to keep painting this, and it'll probably take a couple coats to get this like I want it, and then I'll be back. I am so sorry. I thought I was filming this. I don't know how much, and I looked up and it was gone. So I am so sorry. But what I did, I don't know what all's on here until I actually look. But I decided I wanted this down here. I went ahead, and like I said, I don't know if this part filmed or not, but I mean, my paint is dry, but I'm afraid to really rub it hard. So what I did was I went ahead and put the Mod Podge where I wanted it, and then I just got some saran wrap, put it around, and smoothed it out like that. And then removed it delicately, and that's what we have so far, and I love it. And I was saying that the reason that I did this was because I wanted to make sure that it looked like a matched set, and that you could, if you wanted, not even paint the galvanized, but I wanted to. Okay, so what we're going to do next, get some Mod Podge, some more of it. And I want to have this around the top. So I want this one about right in here. And go ahead and set, you can see my paint's a little tacky still. So I want that like that. Okay. So then I'm just gonna, so if you didn't get to see, I'm so sorry. I'll go ahead and put some on here, and you'll see what I was talking about. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tear off my cling wrap. Lay this down, and I didn't quite get enough Mod Podge over this way. Then I'm just going to put this around it and basically just push. And then I'm just going to remove it. And like I said, which I don't think filmed, I'm just a viewer gave me a wonderful tip about removing Mod Podge with a baby wipe. I don't know why I didn't think of that. That's brilliant. So thank you, but my paint is a little wet, so I didn't want to do that yet, but that's what we have so far, and I love it. Now you can not put it around the top if you don't want to. I just wanted to. Okay, and then I'm going to take this one. And like I said, you can measure it, you can eyeball it, whatever you want to do. I just kind of eyeball them. Okay, and then we're just going to put this one. About like that. Get our saran wrap and push. I didn't quite get my Mod Podge under that part. Okay, and then there is that. Okay, so that is how that looks. I just think it's adorable. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to embellish it with a few gems like I did before. And let's see. I would like to use one of each color that I used before, but I don't know. We'll see what we can do. There. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Okay, then all you have to do is just get your glue gun, just like I did on the chargers. Put you a little bit of glue out. And I think I'm going to put this one right here. I can get it off with my finger. Like that. I just think this is adorable. I really do. And then I'm going to put this one right here. And here, if you want, you could incorporate a yellow into it, but I think I'm going to stick with like the top of the charger and go with another orange. And you could spray paint this if you didn't want to do the paint, but I love it. I think it turned out really well. And then I'm going to get these little brown ones. I just think this looks so old and so vintage and really, really pretty. Okay, so here's this side. So I know you know what I'm doing. So for time purposes, I'll go around and do this side and then I'll be back. Okay guys, here's the picture done. I think it is gorgeous. Now if you'll notice, this side of the top doesn't quite match this side. They're flipped because I wanted them to come up together like that in the front. And I got that off just a little. But other than that, it's really, really, I love it. I mean, if you would see this out, you would pay dear. And as you can see with the chargers, it looks like it could have been bought together. I love it. So what I'm going to do now is make a little flower arrangement in this using Dollar Tree flowers. You don't have to. You could stop right here if you wanted to. but I don't want to because that's just how I'm gonna do it. I think I may put this, like I said, either on my drink station or on the center of my table. I don't know, because I made a cornucopia last year and I love it, so it just depends. Now I'm gonna be using this. These are the only things that did not come from Dollar Tree. If you saw my haul the other day, these came from, I'm pretty sure, Hobby Lobby, and they were $2.99 a piece, and I got them 40% off. Okay, so, and I just stuck some bags down in here to give this a little bit more height. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there, and then I just love these collars. I just think they're gorgeous. They look so fall. So basically, I mean, that's all I'm gonna do is just put this in here and kind of mess with it till I get it like I really, really like it. But I love these flowers. I think they're beautiful. But here it is. I think it's so pretty. And if you wanted, you could put some littler flowers like on the edge if you wanted, but I don't want it to. I'm gonna leave mine just like this. I think it is gorgeous. I really do love it. And like I said, I can just see this maybe in the center of my table or on my drink station, and then this setting beside of it. I just think they look like they were bought together. You would never know that this is galvanized and that I painted it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.